Good morning, students.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you?
I am fine, teacher.
Okay, today we are going to learn people who helps us build our house. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Now first, architect.
Architect.
Second, carpenter.
Carpenter.
Mason.
Mason.
Plumber.
Plumber.
Electrician.
Electrician.
Now last, painter. Architect. An architect makes the design of the house. Now second, carpenter. Carpenter makes doors, windows and cupboards. Mason. Mason lays bricks with cement. Plumber. A plumber fits pipes and taps for water. Electrician fixes the electrical wires, light, fans, bulbs, etc. Now last one, painter. A painter paints the walls, doors, windows, ceiling, etc. Got it? Take carpenter. Carpenter. Electrician. Painter.